Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. On our YouTube channel, we've got people asking us for our termite-resistant foam board, and they're like, where do we get this stuff? Stay tuned. Well, listen, we appreciate all of you asking about the termite-resistant foam board. The problem that we have with it is that it comes in 4x8 sheets if you want to use it to encapsulate the crawl space. So as far as logistically shipping it to homes, it's very, very difficult to do. So what we've done is we've made it available on our DIY page for pickup only. So if you've got a crawl space that you need it taken care of and you would like to go ahead and order it and then come to our Knoxville branch, Knoxville, Tennessee, and pick it up, then we will make that available for you. And we've had people so far come from South Carolina, and of course all the states around Tennessee are not that difficult to come to. But if we can figure out a way to ship it to you, or we got a transport company that we can use and drop it off at a hub in your city, maybe we can figure that out, but just let us know in the comments down below. We can see what we can do. But anyway, this is the foam board. So if you can imagine it coming in a 4x8 sheet, it's not heavy, but it's 2¼ inches thick. So if you got 15 or 18 of them stacked up pretty high, it takes up quite a bit of pallet space. So it's very, very expensive to ship, even though it's not very heavy. So, but if you want to come pick it up, we'll make it available for you on our DIY page. So my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. Oh, guess what? You can also buy this on our DIY store if you want to seal the vents of your crawl space or insulate the rim joists. You can get that as well. So we thank you for watching. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.